English you can live in. Hotel eats. I book a stay with restaurants in mind, cafes and bars, all digitally signed. Menus online let me browse. Reviews show the food's applause. Room service pops in the app, I tap and order, no paper map. Breakfast buffets or cocktails near, dining in hotels is easy here. Specialty foods, quick bites, or tea. All choices show up easily. I explore tastes without a fuss, hotel dining digital makes it plus. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.